I don't hear anything. Oops, everything is falling down. Oh no! Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasiliki and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Maybelline Advent Calendar. This one here is one of the biggest Advent calendars ever. The price for this one is €39.95. We are getting 24 products with this one and I'm hoping that we don't have any foundation samples again like last year with the DIY Advent Calendar that they had. Share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars or Maybelline products and make sure to stay until the end to find out about the total cost of all the products. On the box we have this city landscape. I think this is the logo of Maybelline. Am I right? Let's start with box number 1. We have this city landscape again on the little boxes. And in this one we have a mascara. This is a mini size of the Lush Sensational Mascara in black, in very black. So I have never tried this in black. I think I have tried last year the brown one that they had. I think you can also find this one in the regular makeup line of Maybelline. So we started very well. Number 2 is very big, this one here. And it is a Baby Lips lip balm. This is the moisturizing lip balm with a hint of color and it says Cherry Me. We also got a Baby Lips lip balm last year in another shade. I think it was something with Pina Colada. I'm going to keep this for a giveaway. Next we have box number 3. This one has kisses. And this is a mini hydrating primer from the Face Studio Prime line. It is in the shade 50 with hyaluronic acid and this one here is 10 milliliters. I have tried the mattifying primer that they have in this line and I like it a lot. I use it a lot of times in my videos. I'm very happy that I got this one because I was thinking about trying more primers by Maybelline, so I'm happy for this one. I think this one is heavier than other. I'm guessing it is a nail polish. Let's see. Oh my god, I was not wrong. This is the Color Show Smoked Roses nail polish. This is in the color 548 Iridescent Rose. This is how the color looks with 2 coats. It is a transparent nail polish with gold and silver glitter. You can use it by itself if you want or on top of another nail color. Number 5 is here, tricky to take out. I don't hear anything. I have no clue what it is. Oh, what is this? I still don't understand. Okay. So this is a plastic pouch for your makeup products. You can have it in your purse with any makeup products that you're using. I don't carry a lot of makeup products in my bag because it can get heavy very easily. Do you like it? Do you think that it is just a filler product in this advent calendar? Let me know in the comments. Box number 6 is here. Oops. This one is very full but it's not very heavy. And it is also wrapped. Okay, what is it? Oh my god, it is a mirror? No, it is the City Bronzer. I have tried this one again. I actually like it and it is a full size. This is a bronzer and contour powder in the shade Medium Cool 200. This one here is actually taped. Finally, I like that because I can understand that no one opened this one. So you can find this in the regular line and this is mine. You can see that. This is mine and this is getting in a giveaway. Let me show you the color. It is a very light bronzing shade. You need to layer it. It blends beautifully and it gives a very nice color to the skin. I like that they have one of the latest products in the advent calendar because with other companies we have seen that they have actually discontinued products in the advent calendars. I'm guessing that it is something like a pencil, maybe an eye pencil. Oh my god, I was right. Again! This is the Liner Refine Expression Kajal Soft Kohl Liner. It is waterproof and dermatologically tested. It is in the shade 33 Black. I have never tried this one. This one is a creamy black eye pencil. I think it is very soft and you can also use it as a base for eyeshadows. Let me know if you have ever tried this one. I don't remember seeing this one in their makeup stand. They have so many products. Number 8 is at the bottom. A very small box. This is very light. I'm thinking that it is a sharpener. Oh my god. That's scary. We have also a sharpener in this advent calendar. Here we have number 9. Lipstick. That's very scary. This one here is the color Sensational Lipstick in the shade 157, More to Adore. Oh, this one has a sweet chemical scent. It reminds me of strawberries. It is a light pink lipstick. I have tried this one again in another shade and I like that it is very creamy and comfortable on the lips. So let's see the color. Very pretty for every day. What do you think about this lip shade? Do you like it for you, or is it very pink or very light? Number 10. Let's see what we have. I don't know what it is. Oh, another nail polish. I lost my touch. This one here is the Color Show Smoked Roses in the shade 547 Flamed Rose. This is with only one coat and it has a very nice opacity, and it is a metallic raspberry nail color. Very pretty for the holidays. It is also going to look very nice with a layer of this one on top of it. This sounds like a nail polish too. No, I was wrong. This is the Dr. Rescue Nail Polish Remover. I'm using a lot the eye makeup remover by Maybelline, but I have never tried this one before. And I like that we have a nail polish remover for a change. Not another nail polish. This is another mini size mascara. This one here is the Total Temptation mascara in black. Actually, I have tried this one because some of you told me that it was one of your favorites and I got it in the waterproof version. I actually like this a lot. I have never tried this, so this is the chance. Number 13 is a small one and also a full packed. So much packaging for a single eyeshadow. This is the color Sensational eyeshadow in the shade Nude Glow 40. It is closed, but it doesn't look very nice. The surface of the eyeshadow is not looking smooth, and also it is like the pan is trying to escape from the packaging. I don't think this one is used. Let's see the color. It is a very beautiful pink shimmery eyeshadow. Super pretty. It has a beautiful sheen and I think it can also work as a highlighter for darker skin tones. This is number 14. Oh no, everything is falling apart. This one is fully packed but not very heavy. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is wrapped and this is a concealer palette that I have never tried. I think you can find it in the regular line. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this one, if you like it. This is the Master Camo Color Correcting Concealer Palette in the shade 2 Medium. This was also taped. Let's see. Oh, we have also a very tiny brush that we can use for the concealers maybe. And it says that these two colors that we have in the corner, we can use them to color correct with the yellow and peachy one. The two in the center are for concealing and the two last are to highlight your face. The consistency that we have is thin and also it feels like silicone-y. So we have a nice pigmentation with the swatches, but I will also need to use it on my face. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a full face makeup look using the products. Not bad, not bad. 15 is here. This is very lightweight and I don't hear anything. Where is the product? It is a mirror and this one is not an one lid mirror finally. Okay, it is very thin. You can hold it like this and do your touch-ups if you want. It has a very clear mirror. Let's continue with the box number 16. And this is another baby lips. This one here is the baby lips with SPF 20 lip protection balm, and this provides 8 hours of moisture and hydration. We don't have any other information, I think. Box number 17 doesn't want to come to me. Lipstick. No, it's not. Okay, so this is the Face Studio Prime Illuminating Primer in the shade 20. It contains micro pearls. We have 10 milliliters of product. These are in the same line. I like that we have minis from products that they have already released and you can still find them. So if you like these products, you can buy them again. I say lipstick, but it is a little bit lighter, I think. It's not. And this one is the Lasting Drama Liquid Ink Eyeliner. This is in the shade 34 Sparkling Gold. I thought it was black. Let's see how it looks. We have a doe foot applicator. This is exactly the size that I like for my eyes and I think it is the easiest to use. It is very pretty and it reminds me a lot the liquid eyeshadow that I have tried very recently by Lady Gaga, the House Laboratories. This one has exactly the same finish. We have a brow pencil. This is a brow precise shaping pencil. We have the shade soft brown. On one side we have a spoolie and on the other side the pencil. I think it is a little bit lighter for me. One of my favorite eye pencils at the moment is a brow precise brow micro pencil. It is very nice. This one has a very fine tip and I got it in a deeper shade, so I'm not very sure if this is going to work for me, but it's not very light. Let's see the color. Maybe I can make it work. I'm curious to see if this one has the same formula with this one that I like so much. Number 20. This is a new matte maker mattifying powder and we have the shade 20 Nude Beige. I have never tried a pressed powder by Maybelline. To open this one, you need to twist the cap and this is how it looks. Let's see a little bit the color. No, it doesn't smell. Okay, oh, it's very, very, very soft. I think this one is lighter for me. Let's see. Yes, yes. Maybe I can use it to highlight my face instead of mattifying because I don't think this is going to work for my skin tone. Oops, oops, everything is falling down. Oh no, all the boxes fell on the floor and I don't know how to put them back. So let's continue with number 21. It is very light and we have a lip pencil. This is the color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade 50 Dusty Rose. I think they can work very well together, these two. Let's see what we have. And this is a twistable pencil. Oh, it's very, very, very soft. And it is a light pink mauvish shade. Very pretty. Next we have this one here. and it is another lipstick. This one is the color Sensational Lipstick in the shade Feel Pink, and it is the number 162. This one has a very light sweet scent, a light pink mauvish color. I think we got this lip color in all of the advent calendars. Am I right? Number 23 here. This one also has a lot of wrapping paper. We have a blush, but I think something broke. This is one of the new blushes that they have in the shade 10. The blush is okay, I just need to put back the pan, and yeah, okay, now it's fine. And this one is a very light pink color, I think, and it has a very light sheen. It's not completely matte. I have already bought 2 other shades of this blush to test in a future Maybelline video, and I'm very happy that they have the new products like the city bronzer and now the blush. This is going to be very natural on me, and I'm very curious to see how it looks on my cheeks. Let's continue with this one here, and I have no clue. Ooh, this is a mascara, and this is actually one of my favorite mascaras ever, and this is the Falsies Volume Express mascara in waterproof. I usually buy this in the black drama because it is the blackest one and I love it on my eyes, and that one has microfibers. I don't know about this one. The applicator is exactly the same, but it looks like a purple mascara, not a black. No, it says black, so it's black. No, it's black, okay. I like the applicator of this one because it is very easy to get very close to the roots of the lashes. I don't see any microfibers on the brush, so I'm thinking that this one doesn't have any. I'm loving the variety of this advent calendar. I think that we have a lot of products for a makeup look, and you can find here more advent calendar videos. The total value of the products for this advent calendar is 108 euros. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!